Talk to me, Mo. Say dad, 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 dad. Dad, 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 dad. Can you say dad, dad? Dad, dad. Dad, 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 dad. Can you put your foot in your mouth? Yep. Put your foot in your mouth. Yep. Come on. Put your foot in your mouth. Oh, you put your foot in your mouth. You put it in there. Come on. Good boy. Come on, yeah. Good boy. Come on. You doing it. You doing it. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Anything for me, Ma. I'd do anything for me, Ma. Thank you. Thank you. Say, I can do it, me Ma. I can do it. I can do it, me Ma. Yes, I can. Thank you. Can you say Dada? Say Dada, Dada. Dada, Dada. Come on. Dada, 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 Dada. Thank you for putting your foot in your mouth. I love you. Bye-bye. Baby. Okay. Bye-bye.
So they put him in a home with almost no supervision?